You have the power to shift your atmosphere. You have the power to change your reality with just the thoughts that come through your mind all throughout the day. How many positive thoughts versus negative thoughts travel through your mind throughout the day? When your day is overwhelming, do you speak life into the situation or do you tend to shut down? Do you feel like your present state or the beginning state will be the ending state or your end result? Did you know that you hold all the ingredients that you need to create something beautiful with your life? But if you don't use what you have and shift your perception, all you'll have is ingredients. Don't allow the dirt in your life to tell you that you're not worthy. Because last I checked, we needed dirt to build a house. So why is your situation any different? For the next 7 days, I challenge anyone who hears this video to focus on positive thoughts, to focus on shifting your perception throughout your day from negative to positive, from overwhelming to joy. Now, I'm not saying it's easy because it's definitely not, but keep in mind, your test is a testimony for somebody else. Turn that pain into purpose and stop making excuses. The beginning of the video and the current state is not the same. But the current state that we're at right now, this point in the video, isn't the end result of it. And also keep in mind that everything that I've done thus far in the video, with all the ingredients that I had, is still not for me. I'm preparing this for someone else. So you have to keep that in mind when you're going through everything that you're going through in life, that it's not for you. Your story is supposed to be a testimony for somebody else. Now that is what I would like to call some food for thought.